Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to generate the code using AI and the Figma design that you have, okay, using Copilot and GPT 4.1. Okay, so let's get started. So in a previous tutorial, we had this, okay, I used Gemini 2.5 Flash with Copilot and it gave me something like this, okay. So this was close enough that you can edit this and fix this, but this is the actual design of this, okay. And as you can see, this is not the same as this, okay. So I'm going to do this in a separate page. Okay, so you have a blank project. So in GitHub Copilot, I'm gonna give it the images, and these images are basically these, okay, all of these. So I'm gonna give it all of my images. I'm gonna close these. And I'm gonna give it this prompt. Okay, so it's given me this prompt, and I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna add two more things. I've given it the prompt that it generated to generate the code for this, and then I said make sure to use Tailwind CSS, make sure to leave the images empty with a gray background and an image icon in the center, and add any functionality code according to the design. So the reason for this one is that if you do not possess the images, the problem will be that the AI will just try to put something in there and it will mess up the design. But if you tell it to just leave it empty with a background and a icon in the center, okay, it will just add that there instead of the image. Also, I've told it to add any functionality. So the reason for this one is that we have a booking form, and in the future we might need to add code to fill that form, okay, to connect it with something. So just adding the base code there, that's what I'm trying to tell this. So I'm going to add the images as well. Also, I'm going to add one more thing. I've told it to add the sections according to how they are in the home.png image, okay? So let's see what GPT 4.1 gives us. And here's hoping that everything works. Just gave me the prompt back. Okay, it messed up somewhere. Okay, no, I get it. Yeah, I messed up kind of. What I needed to add in here was this. At the top, I needed to add in prompt. And now I need to add in these images. And here's hoping this works. Okay, so it's done. Let's save this and let's see what the final result is. Okay, it kind of changed this, but it's still good. Okay, it added everything correctly. This, you can replace it with your own icon. Okay, these are added correctly. This is in the center. All of this is good. It's added this correctly. The color, I believe, is fine. I'm not 100% sure this is the match to the color. I can change that accordingly. Okay, this was added in the center. Okay, that's good. And it added this as well, and I think this was a very good result. So this is how you can use Figma Design or your images to create the the boilerplate code, and you can edit this accordingly or add certain things into this using Copilot and GPT 4.1. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.